We cannot be in a country where we cannot speak up against hardship. Even the policemen who are shooting tear gas at us are feeling the hardship, and we are hungry. We would rather die on the streets than die in our house.
For why is living still very hard for us? We are still living high cost of food, high cost of living. The not even insecurity, self high cost of living and the food is what is our greatest problem. Electricity. Those of us in band A, we were paying for 10,000 then. We were paying. We get units of 176, but today it is 44.4 units, and the what they call it, that 44.4 units in 3 days it is gone. Even without using gadgets, you can't use your AC. You can't use. No, the high cost of living is too much. So many companies have shut down. So many of us are private sectors. We cannot survive on this harsh economy. We are begging the government. Gari that is food for the common man, we cannot afford. We plant gari, we cannot even eat gari. Bread, we cannot eat. Those were food for the common man, but today we cannot even afford that. Food. That is why they should allow Dangote refinery to work. Why is Dangote refinery not working? They've given us Kaduna and Port Harcourt drama. Now Dangote, we are seeing what is happening to Dangote refinery. If only Dangote refinery can work, I believe what we are seeing today will not be, because they won't be using dollar. They'll be using naira definitely.
What is the feeling of our mothers? I know you are a lady, you are a brother, you are a mother if you are not a lady. What is the feeling of our mothers right in the village right now?
They are cursing the president.
In fact, the feeling of our mothers today is they are in pain. A lot of them are in pain. The only issue they are afraid of, why most of them will even call us not to come out and do protests, they are just not confident with our security agencies because they take laws into their hands. But our mothers are in pain. They are crying. They are crying, as in they are in bitter pain, because we are the rural communities. We can't even send funding to them. We can't send funds to them, I mean. We can't send anything to them. They cannot also go to farm because of insecurity as well. So there's nothing just happening. There's nothing working in the country at the moment. We need the country to work. That is all we beg for, not grains of rice. We are Nigerians. We are very hardworking. We are very intelligent. We can work on our own. We don't need bags of rice. For how long will you give us fish to eat? We want to farm. We want to harvest ourselves, not giving us some palliatives, and the palliatives are even selected. If you are not in the political class, you don't get it.
In Lube, we didn't get.
Some part of the border and other places are giving high opportunities to
pay our workers 250,000 minimum wage. They should also restricting protesters. While we disagree as lawyers, our duty is to advise protesters. We are here just to provide guidance to the protesters. We also feel that our presence here will limit friction. We limit the attack of the authorities against protesters. That is why we are here. Primarily, we want a situation where the protests will not degenerate. I have advised the FCTCP, if they want the protests to degenerate, so be it. If they don't appreciate our interventions in here, as Nigerians who are also aggrieved and protesting, you are all witnesses that today not be the first time we police go attack us. Yeah, so we're already used to police attack. Now, like, normal.
And protest is part of our constitution.
So for me, the protesters have the right to protest under our laws. Also, we have a duty. We have a duty to ensure that the protest is peaceful. So I will intervene. I will talk to the protesters. Let us conduct ourselves in a very peaceful manner. Very, very peaceful. And you can see so far, for the past 3 hours or 2.5 hours since we've been here, the protest has been extremely peaceful. So there's no cause for alarm.
Only banners.
Thank you.
So they should not even attack us. Bad government! These people are teaching us for a while, we don't give them.
Even people when they throw gas for us, then they hungry. People when they throw tear gas for us, they hungry.
And we don't know what it is.
I swear to God,
Then they wanda ba su da adalci a rayuwarsu saboda an ba su da security din duka azzalumai ne ba mu yafe ba. Allah ya san ya arewa, Allah ya san dan Najeriya.
This is international violence, not domestic violence. Peaceful protests, they don't stone us, they don't kill our 2 people now, they don't get down there. Nigeria, wanna check them.
Wait.
I did ready.
Yes, sir.
I did ready. Anything will stop.
nobody.
Wait.
I did ready to die today. I'm not afraid to say the truth.
Wait.
Yes.
You don't carry unity, God.
Yes.
Yes, actually, it's unfortunate you can see him drop.
Mic checking.
Talk to him. Click it. Carry your district, Blue. Carry track board.
Hello. Peaceful protest. We did not touch anything. We did not do anything. They say they no go fight us. We reach Eagle Square now. They come they stun us. Tear gas. They don't kill our 2 persons for ground now. We don't do anything. They see they fire us. They fire tear gas. They fire shot. They fire bullets. Nigeria people abroad make one check them. Fight for our rights. Bad government need to come to an end. Enough is enough. Tinubu, we don't want to see you. APC, we don't want anymore. Tinubu, bye-bye. We are tired of Tinubu. We are tired of us. Oh, no. We took it. We are hungry. We are tired. We are tired of the bad government.
Tuition-free education. Yes. Young people have had it up to here. Yes. We have had it up to here. Yes. We want a living wage. Yes. We want